everyone, it's Melanie and welcome back to Living Luxuriously for Less. If you're here for the first time, go ahead and smash that subscribe button. And if you guys have not been getting notifications of my new videos, please be sure to go and turn on your notification bell. So today we are going to be doing a DIY balloon garland for my backdrop for a baby shower. I'm so super excited to be sharing this with you guys. And before we go any further, I want you guys to know that if you're interested in becoming an event planner or a party planner, I'm going to be hosting another in live Luxe Academy class here in Florence on April the 11th and 12th, and it's going to be the baby shower edition. So if you guys are interested in that, be sure to visit my page, melanieturner.design/events to sign up. If you can't make it here in person, I will be doing a live online class on March the 17th, and you can also find that information there as well. So let's get started on this DIY balloon garland. I'm so super excited to be sharing this with you guys today. It is so simple to do. I fell in love with these organic balloon arches quite some time ago, but I was so intimidated by watching them. But once I got down the science, you guys would be amazed at how simple this is to do. So the only thing you do is like put your balloons in quads, use a little bit of fishing wire, and then you will go through and connect all of your balloons in the shape and size that you see fit. And so it takes about an hour and a half to 2 hours to do with 2 people. And here is the final result. Oh my gosh, you guys, isn't that gorgeous? I just absolutely love the colors and the way that it turned out. I will be sure to give you guys the recipe for how to create this DIY organic balloon arch in Luxe Academy, but I just absolutely love the colors. And it takes about, I think I told you guys, an hour and a half to 2 hours to do it with 2 people. And so now that we have it going in place, if you guys see here, it's actually 2 of us. I highly recommend you having 2 people to secure this DIY organic balloon arch onto the backdrop. It's just much safer. And then also use a ladder and not a chair. Don't ask me how I know, but I did take a tumble last year at an event by standing in a folding chair. The chair folded, I fell flat on my back, and it was horrific. Okay, enough of that story. So now I'm going to speed it up just a little bit as I finish securing the balloon arch onto the backdrop. And as you can see, like right now, I'm just using more or less, I'm using the fishing wire to do it down the sides, and then I'm going to go back and add in a little bit more security, and then I'm going to add the flowers in as well. So you guys hear me talking to the staff helping me here and getting everything in order because it is getting close to the mom-to-be to come and do the grand reveal. And so I wanted to get everything in place. And for some reason, I always wait to affix the balloon arch onto the backdrop last. And I guess because it's so cumbersome and time consuming and not one of my favorite things to do, but definitely something that you can do. It just takes a little bit of time. Before we go any further, I would like to thank Happy Feet for this partnership, bringing this video to you guys, making it possible. They are an online party company. You can find them on Amazon. I will leave the link down below to their site or their shop. And they have like the signs and banners and balloons and lanterns and All these things come in one kit and it's like $21. You just cannot beat it. So if you wanted to just do a simple backdrop, you can use these pieces. Or if you want to split them up like I'm doing here, you can use them throughout your baby shower. It definitely saves on time and DIYing. So as you can see, I've incorporated all the balloons on the floor, like that says, "Oh baby, it's a girl." I've incorporated those on, and the lanterns as well, on the floor in front of the photo backdrop. And then you can also use these as props in your pictures as well. So I'm going to show you guys how I use that with the mom to be shortly after she came in to do the reveal. Then I'll go back and show you the reveal. It also includes, that kit also includes the mother to be banner or sash for the mom to be to wear. I thought that was a cute addition, and the mom to be absolutely loved it. And so definitely, you know, a great bargain there. And then with the balloon, we just gave her a few of the balloons, and the photographer snapped all these amazing photos. And I just absolutely love the way that it turned out. So we did use the balloons in the kit for that as well. So it came in like pink and white. And yeah, I was in the background coaching the mom to be. And then they also had like the little puffy pieces. I forgot what you call those. But anyway, I did not create the entire ball. I just did it like the halfway because I wanted it to have like that cabbage look. And I thought it was a great accent to the gift table. You can also add them on a flat backdrop. If you guys, you know, remember my backdrop video from a while back, I'll post that video down below, but you can definitely push pin them on to add a little bit of texture to your backdrop. And then for the banner, I added the "It's a Girl" banner on the fruit table. You can also use it on your backdrops. You can use it, you know, just about anywhere. So I definitely thought it would be a great addition there. So now that you saw all that the kit entails, if you guys are interested in it, I'm going to link it down below. And now for the moment we've all been waiting for, the reveal. Oh my! Oh my Lord. Oh, Melanie.
Yes, she outgrew herself.
Oh, yes. Desiree, turn around and tell.
So pretty.
So what do you think?
I love it. I love it.
Oh!
Oh, it's so good. So good. Oh, I can't.
You can't.
I didn't even have this like in my mind.
That's why you hire a planner. We read your mind. We're mind readers.
Okay, we can have everybody start coming and sit and okay.
Okay. Wow. Look.
Oh.
So there you guys have it. The mommy to be absolutely loved the shower and the whole design. She is naming her little girl Eden, and they also did the baby naming at the shower. So they announced the name of the baby there. I absolutely love that name. It just encompasses so much for me. It's so beautiful, so elegant, so refreshing, so just heavenly. I just love that name. And so here are some of the details of the shower. As you guys see here, I did like the double napkin to create like a bow, and I have like the maroon one on the top, the blush one on the bottom, and then it's combined by the Bling from totallydazzled.com. I will link that down below if you guys are interested. And then here is an entire view of the room, and this also happens to be the same room that we'll be decorating for the baby shower for Luxe Academy. So here is the full view of the room. I absolutely love this view of the room. As you guys can see, I went back into the balloon arch on the backdrop and I added in flowers to bring in that whole garden theme. I absolutely love the way that it turned out. And there are definitely some things that you need to be aware of when you're doing a DIY balloon garland with flowers or a garden theme. Be careful of the stem because you can definitely pop some balloons there. As you can see, I also added the baby sign and I had a little vine in front of the table. I just absolutely love the way that this turned out. It's just so gorgeous, and
she kept
I
it
just
really
could not be happier
simplistic and
with the backdrop. We did
She
add some
got the cake
uplighting
from
there,
Publix, and then
as
another
well,
young
some
lady
pink
did the
uplighting,
cookies for
and
her.
here is a
So
close-up
when it came
of
to the
all
dessert
of the
table, I
flowers.
decided to do 3 different small stations, kind of like columns, because it wasn't like a ton of desserts, but I still wanted the display to be beautiful and unique, and I absolutely love the way that it turned out. The cake came from Publix, I think I mentioned that, and then we just used the backdrop as normal. So here is the mother and father to be table. I used a little bit more fancy charger and the little plates. Those plates are from Posh Party Supplies, and I'll be sure to leave that link down below as well. And then as you guys can see, the garland and the baby sign, absolutely stunning. I love the centerpieces here, just absolutely amazing on so many different levels. And a tip for different places that you may go, like that doesn't allow you guys to have candle lights, open flames or whatever, like adding floating candles will definitely do the trick, and it just adds so much beauty and elegance. I absolutely love the way that the head table is set up with the backdrop. Oh, just absolutely gorgeous and amazing. So you guys let me know down in the comments below your favorite aspect of this shower. I also love creating different room designs and setups and using different tables. So you guys can see that here as well. I use a combination of round tables and rectangular tables, and I created a few estate tables as well. And what that does is cuts down on the number of centerpieces that you have to use for an event, and it gives you a totally different look. Do you guys remember the video I did sharing with you all the different ways to tie sashes on the chairs? If you do, let me know down in the comments below. But here are the side bow ties. I think this is one of the most elegant ways to tie bows on a chair. And I do have a person that helps me, and she does all my bow tying. I actually have 2 official bow tiers on my staff. Like, I'm not the best, I just know what I like, but these 2 individuals, especially one of them, is just like my go-to person for tying the bows. So here is another overall view of the room and the space. I mean, I absolutely love the way that this Garden of Eden themed baby shower turned out. It was just so beautiful. And in that room, it just really popped. So if you guys are interested in entertaining or event planning on a large scale or a small scale, or if you just want to get started, I definitely recommend you guys joining us for Lux Academy, whether it's the live session, which is April the 11th or 12th, or if it's the live online session where you can attend right from the comfort of your home on March the 17th. Definitely sign up today by visiting MelanieTurner.design/events. Thank you guys so much again for watching. And until next time, it's Melanie with Living Luxuriously for Less. Cheers!